Hi, I'm Windy from Windy's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use excess sourdough starter or discard in a quick flatbread recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog, myloveofbaking.com. Now if you want to make 100% sourdough flatbread, I have an excellent recipe up on my blog. All the links are mentioned in the video description below. So let's get started. This is my excess sourdough starter that I've been collecting in the fridge. It's runny, watery and got a strong vinegary smell to it, which is perfect for this recipe. Make sure that your discard hasn't gone bad. Any green, blue or grey spots or a foul smell are signs that it is actually time to bin your discard. We will replace some of the yogurt in the recipe, so weigh the discard first and top the rest up with yogurt. Then add the flour. We are using normal all-purpose flour in this recipe. Next, salt and baking powder go in. Start mixing with a spatula or a spoon. Once the dough starts to come together, it's time to get your hands in. If the dough seems way too sticky, add a bit of flour. And if it is too dry, you can add a bit of water or yogurt. Use a plastic bowl scraper to get all the stuck bits off. Notice that I am only gently kneading the dough. Overworking your dough at this stage will cause too much gluten development, which will result in tougher flatbread. That's it. Now cover the dough and let it rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. Once rested, now it's time to divide our dough. Dust with some flour, flatten the dough and divide it into roughly equal pieces. You can go as big or as small as you like, but remember, your flatbread has to fit the pan or the griddle that you are planning to cook them on. Once divided, round them up, just like how you would shape burger buns or dinner rolls. Once done, cover and let these rest again for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once these are rested, we can roll out and cook our flatbread. Take one dough piece at a time and using a rolling pin, gently roll out the dough. Make sure to rotate, lift and flour the bench as needed. Have a look at the rolled out flatbread. It's not super thin, but it's not thick either. In the meantime, get your pan or a griddle preheated. I'm using a cast iron griddle here. You can either roll out all your flatbread and have them ready and then cook them straight away, or you can cook them as you go. To cook these, simply place the rolled out dough on the preheated griddle. After about 30 seconds, or when you start to see little bubbles on top, flip it over. As it cooks, your flatbread might puff up, but it is okay if it didn't. Just make sure that it is cooked through. It will only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook one flatbread. Once it's cooked, take it off the pan and brush both sides with melted butter. My butter is lightly infused with garlic, but of course you can leave it out if you are not a garlic fan. Now repeat this process with the rest of your dough and you will end up with a nice stack of warm buttery flatbread. Serve this with your favorite dip, chutney or curry. I hope you enjoyed this video and would give it a go. Visit my blog for more delicious recipes just like this one.